Savage builds the B series precision rifles to take full advantage of rimfire rounds, quote unquote. Mine is chambered in .22 long rifle. With the modular driven technologies, MDT, chassis, and heavy threaded barrels, the B22 bolt attracted me because I like bolt actions, I like .22 long rifle, I like heavy barrels, and I like the fact that this was the red target AccuTrigger. I have a red target AccuTrigger on my Savage 12 FTR and love it. Other models in the B22 series have synthetic or laminate stocks, but the B22 Precision series has the MDT chassis, one reason that I was attracted to it, and the fact that I also have the A22 MDT, the semi-automatic brother to this one. The scope that I have on this rifle in this segment is a Nikon Monarch 6-24 by 50. Subsequently, I've had trouble with this scope's adjustments and have removed it, and have replaced it by an Athlon Optics 6-24 by 50. For the most part, I like to shoot these rifles in some local friendly bench rest competitions at 50 yards. With my old eyes, I need at least 24 power to see the bullet holes on the targets. Thus, I stick to a 6-24 by 50, which seems to be a good compromise between power and cost. According to the Savage website, the target AccuTrigger for this B22 series is adjustable from 1.5 pounds at the lightest to 5 pounds max. Using my inexpensive Wheeler analog trigger pull tool, mine measured consistently at 1 pound 12 ounces. I was hopeful that I could adjust it down additionally, but having gone to the trouble of taking the stock off, I found that I could not. It had been set at a minimum pull at the factory. It could not go down to 1.5 pounds. By the way, the hex screw of the receiver in that trigger guard is a pain in my opinion, but then again, I'm not too handy. The B series uses the Savage rotary magazine, 10 rounders, same as my A22 semi-automatic. I had read of an issue on the web with the B22 Precision .22 long rifle that the bolt, upon closing, scrapes the top round in the magazine. As you can see in my images, it did exactly that with these bullets, which were CCI standard velocity. So I experienced that as well. By the way, I'm getting better at loading these mags. Note here again the scraped bullet in the mag, and note the failure to eject with the CCI standard velocity round. I only had trouble with that particular ammo.